Hello and welcome to Kupo Grip. This short video will introduce you to our Backlite Base stand. The Backlite Base stand comes with our double-sided universal 5/8 inch stud with 3/16 and 1/4-20 male threads. To open the base, just fan the legs open until they stop at their fixed positions. To get a low mounting position, just drop the double-sided universal 5/8 inch stud with 3/16 and 1/4-20 male threads into the baby receiver and tighten the set screw until snug. Now you can mount your light fixture on top of the stud to get a super low and stable mounting position. Alternatively, you can screw the same stud into the 3/16 female hole located in one of the legs to get an even lower mounting position. This also comes in handy for stud storage. Since the base comes with a baby receiver, you can always place any baby accessory into the receiver, such as this 5/8 inch platform with a 3/16 male thread. Next, I'll mount this tripod head to the platform. Now you have a stable tripod for super low shooting angles. This small kit stand folds down super compact, has many mounting options, giving you many possibilities. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your vision and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.